Good afternoon, everyone. I, Smali Agarwal, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of Ceeta Industry Limited, warmly welcome you to the 41st Annual General Meeting of Ceeta Industries Limited. This meeting is being conducted through video conferencing and other audiovisual means in compliance with the various circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and Securities and Exchange Board of India. Before we begin the proceedings, I would like to take you through certain details regarding your participation at this meeting. The members have been provided with the facility to join the meeting through video conferencing or first come first serve basis. Members attending this AGM through video conferencing shall be counted for the purpose of reckoning the quorum under Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. The deemed venue for this AGM shall be the registered office of the company situated at Tumkur, and the proceedings of the AGM shall be considered to have been taken place there. In accordance with the various provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI Listing Regulations 2015, the company has provided the remote e-voting facility through CDSL to all the members whose name appeared in the register of members as on the cutoff date September 11, 2025. The remote e-voting facility was available from 10 a.m. on September 15, 2025 to 5 p.m. on September 17, 2025. Members attending the meeting and who have not opted to cast their votes through remote e-voting earlier may cast their votes through e-voting at the end of this meeting. Members can click on the vote tab on the video conference screen to make use of this facility. Members are requested to refer to the instructions provided in the notice for a seamless participation through video conference and also for voting. In case members face any difficulty, they can reach out to the helpline numbers provided in the notice. Members may note that this AGM is being recorded. Therefore, we kindly request all the participants to refrain from sharing any sensitive personal information that is not relevant to the business of this meeting. The registers and other documents as required under the Companies Act 2013 and as mentioned in the AGM notice is available electronically for inspection by the members. I request Mr. K.M. Poddar, Managing Director of the company, who has been elected as the chairman of this meeting, to kindly proceed with the meeting. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I, K.M. Poddar, Managing Director of the company, extend a warm 41st Annual General Meeting of Ceeta Industries Limited. I hope you and your families are in good health. We are truly grateful for your continued confidence in the company. Your participation today reflects your strong association with our journey, and we deeply appreciate the time and attention you have devoted. As the requisite quorum is present, I therefore declare the meeting open and call it in order. I request Mr. Vaibhav Poddar, President of the company, to address the shareholders.
Thank you. Good afternoon, shareholders. I am Vaibhav Poddar, President of the company, and warmly welcome you to the 41st Annual General Meeting. Before proceeding, I would like to first introduce the Board of Directors, the management team, and the auditors who are attending this meeting virtually. Mr. K.M. Poddar, Managing Director. Mr. Avinash Kumar Khaitan, Independent Director and Chairperson of the Audit Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Stakeholders Relationship Committee. They have joined from Calcutta. Mr. Gautam Modi, Non-Executive Director and member of the Audit Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Stakeholders Relationship Committee, has joined from Ranchi. Mr. B.K. Bhalotia, Independent Director, and Mr. Anubhav Poddar, CFO, joining from the registered offices at Tumkur. Ms. Smali Agarwal, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. She has joined from Kolkata. We also have executives and senior officials of the company joining us from their respective locations. Due to prior commitments, Mrs. Uma Poddar, non-executive director of the company, is unable to attend this meeting. Also due to prior commitments, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, independent director, is unable to join this meeting. We have authorized representative from Messrs. G.K. Tulsian and Company, statutory auditor, who has also joined from their respective location. Mr. Praveen Kumar Dolia, practicing company secretary, representing Messrs. Dolia and Company, secretarial auditor, attending this meeting. He has also been appointed as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the remote e-voting and e-voting at the AGM. He shall scrutinize the voting results and shall submit the consolidated scrutinizer report not later than 2 working days for conclusion of this meeting. The voting results shall be posted on the website of the company and simultaneously to be communicated to the Bombay Stock Exchange. I now take this opportunity to convey a message to you. Over the past year, our journey has been transformational. Building on the strong foundation laid in previous years, we have successfully transitioned from a phase of groundwork and rebuilding and investment into one of tangible performance and profitability. This financial year marks a significant turnaround, not only in our financial numbers, but also in the strategic direction and operational strength of the company. When we began this journey 3 years ago with our brand Skitos, our goal was clear: to redefine snacking for the modern Indian consumer, blending taste, innovation, and health consciousness. Today, I am pleased to say that we are delivering on that promise. The positive response from customers and our growing footprints across regions is a testament to the dedication and vision of our team. Let me now share with you some key financial highlights for FY 2425. Revenue from operations grew by 87.56%, reaching 2,202.54 lakhs, reflecting strong momentum in both branded products and job work services. Total income increased by 77.72%, indicating continued expansion of our core activities. EBITDA stood at 522.3 lakhs, a remarkable turnaround from last year's loss. Interest expenses declined sharply by 64.8%, highlighting better financial discipline and much reduced debt. Profit before tax reached 372.96 lakhs, a significant improvement from a loss of 274.47 lakhs in the previous year. Net profit stood at 274.54 lakhs compared to a loss of 159.87 lakhs in FY 2324. This performance represents a clear and encouraging turnaround driven by operational efficiency, cost control, and continued scaling of our brands Ketos and the job work business. Operationally, we made notable progress during the year. Our brand continues to perform well, especially in Southern India. We are exploring new distribution partnerships and expanding our retail footprint, particularly in Karnataka. Looking ahead, we are working actively to replicate this model across other regions. We also remain engaged in job work manufacturing for several reputed national and regional snack brands, providing a steady stream of business alongside our brand-led growth. I'm also happy to share that this year we launched a new product, Skitos Drink, adding a new category under our brand umbrella and further diversifying our offerings in the food and beverage segment. Looking ahead, our strategy remains focused and consistent. We plan to expand Skitos into new geographies through a stronger sales and distribution network. We will continue investing in automation and innovation to enhance productivity. We will ensure there is no compromise in the quality and taste of our products. We will maintain tight control over costs and margins. We will explore strategic partnerships and collaborations to scale both the brand and operations. We are confident that these focus efforts will enable us to build a resilient, profitable, and growth-oriented future for Ceeta Industries. This year's performance is the result of a shared vision, disciplined execution, and your constant encouragement. While challenges will continue to exist, we have shown that we possess the vision, agility, determination, and energy to turn opportunities into reality. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our board of directors for their support and to our employees for the dedication, and to each one of you, our valued shareholders and stakeholders, for your unwavering trust. Together, we look forward to achieving even greater milestones in the coming year. Thank you. I now request the company secretary to take the proceedings forward.
The notice convening the 41st Annual General Meeting and the annual report for financial year 24-25 have already been emailed to all the members, and with your permission, they will be taken as read. Mrs. G.K. Tulsian and Company statutory auditors have expressed an unqualified opinion in their audit report for the financial year 24-25. As there were no qualification, observation or adverse remarks in their report, the auditor's report need not be read. Mrs. Dolia and Company Secretarial Auditor have also not expressed any qualification, observation or adverse remarks in their report. Hence, the Secretarial Auditor report need not be read. We will now proceed to consider the resolution as set forth in the notice of the AGM. There are 5 resolutions in the notice of the AGM, and I will be reading out only the text of the resolution. The full details of the resolution along with the explanatory statement for item number 3 to 5 is provided in the notice of the AGM. Item number 1. Ordinary business, ordinary resolution. Adoption of audited financial statement for the financial year ended March 31, 2025. Item number 2. Ordinary business, ordinary resolution. Appointment of Mr. Gautam Modi, DIN 06482645 as a director liable to retire by rotation, who has offered himself for reappointment. Item number 3. Special business, special resolution. Approval for reappointment of Mr. Krishna Murari Poddar, DIN 00028012 as Managing Director of the company. Item number 4. Special business, special resolution. Reappointment of Mr. Avinash Kumar Khaitan as Non-Executive Independent Director of a company for a second term. Item number 5. Special business, special resolution. Reappointment of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, DIN 08996095 as Non-Executive Independent Director of the company for a second term. All the resolutions have been read out. Now, we invite our registered speakers to share their views and speak at the meeting. To ensure clarity and avoid repetition, the board will respond to all the queries after the speakers have finished. We have 2 registered speakers today. Now I request our first shareholder, Mr. Bharat Raj K, to kindly unmute and proceed with his question.
Bharat Raj K, it's not currently present in this meeting.
Okay. As Mr. Bharatraj K is not present, we move on to our final speaker, Mr. Manjeet Singh. And I request Mr. Manjeet Singh to kindly unmute and share his views.
Manjit Singh is also not currently present in this meeting.
Okay. As our registered speakers, we had only 2 speakers and they are not present. I now forward the meeting to the chairman of the meeting, Mr. K.M. Poddar.
Been able to address all the points raised by shareholders, though they were not present. So question doesn't arise. Thank you all once again for your valuable time and contributions. I extend my sincere gratitude to the Board of Directors and members of your continuous support and encouragement. We appreciate your trust and dedication. Members are requested to note that e-voting on the CDSL platform will remain open for the next 15 minutes. I kindly request those members who have not yet cast their votes to do so within this time frame. I further hereby authorize Ms. Mali Agarwal, the company secretary, to declare the results of the voting and place the results on the website of the company at the earliest. The resolution to set forth in the notice of the AGM shall be deemed to be passed today, subject to the receipt of the requisite number of voters. With this, I hereby declare the proceeding of the 21st Annual General Meeting of Ceeta Industries Limited closed. Wishing you all a wonderful day and successful year ahead. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.